Which country has signed a memorandum of understanding with Serum Institute of India for delivery of COVID-19 vaccines? Answer: Bangladesh. Question number 2. The Oil India Limited has brought in a snubbing unit from which country to tackle the Baghjan oil field blowout? Answer: Canada. Question number 3. Where is the first phase of Malabar training exercise scheduled to be held? Answer: Bay of Bengal. What is the estimated cost of the new Chandrayaan 3 project as per the announcement of ISRO? Answer: 600 crores. Which country recently launched a driverless bullet train with the speed up to 350 kilometers per hour? Answer: China. Hemostat, which was in use recently, is a material developed to stop rapid blood loss during accident. It is made up of which component? Answer: starch. Which social media platform launched Coronavirus Information Hub in partnership with WHO, UNICEF and UNDP? Answer: WhatsApp. Which city hosted the 4-day international conference on banana organized by ICAR? Answer: Tiruchirappalli. What is the name of the mobile application launched by the Indian government to track the risk of coronavirus infection? Answer: Corona Kavach. Operation by Saheli has been launched by which organization? Answer: South Western Railway, to boost the safety of women passengers during their entire train journey. Which fintech company is to organize a dedicated app developers conference? Answer: Paytm. What is the theme of the 66th Wildlife Week celebrated during the first week of October? Answer: Roar and Revive, exploring human-animal relationships. Which company has been awarded the contract by NASA for developing 4G network on Moon? Answer: Nokia. The Kati Bihu festival is celebrated in which state of India? Answer: Assam. India announced establishing a green strategic partnership with which country? Answer: Denmark. Cat Q that was seen in news recently is a virus said to have emerged in which country? Answer: China. Which astronomical observatory of India has completed 5 years of mapping stars? Answer: Astrostat. Flipkart and which general insurance company has launched insurance cover for online financial frauds? Answer: Bajaj Allianz. Which e-commerce giant has launched a new fulfillment center in Tamil Nadu? Answer: Amazon. Which country announced to impose a gradual ban on using wild animals in circuses? Answer: France. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.